Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tablets for toddlers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for an educational powerhouse or a durable entertainment device for your little ones, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Toddler Kids Tablet 7-inch in pink. This tablet is designed for younger kids and comes with the basics to keep them entertained and educated. It features a quad-core processor, 2 GB RAM, and 32 GB storage, expandable up to 64 GB. While it's not the most powerful option, it runs apps smoothly and includes pre-installed educational apps that work offline, making it a great choice for road trips or flights. It also supports popular apps like YouTube Kids and Netflix through Google Play. The design is geared toward durability, with a child-resistant shockproof case and a built-in stand that allows the tablet to be propped up at any angle. The 7-inch screen has a resolution of 1024 by 600, which is decent for basic tasks, though it's not particularly sharp compared to higher-end models. The battery life is impressive at up to 10 hours, ideal for uninterrupted learning and play. While this tablet has parental controls to create separate profiles, filter content, and set screen time limits, the user interface can feel slightly outdated. Additionally, the cameras at 2MP resolution are not ideal for capturing high-quality images. With a 3.8-star rating, it's a decent choice for younger kids, but may fall short for those looking for a more premium experience. At number 4, we have the Toddler Kids Tablet, a compact and efficient 7-inch device that stands out with Android 13 and an octa-core processor. The hardware includes 8 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, expandable up to 256 GB, ensuring smooth operation and plenty of space for apps and media. This tablet also comes preloaded with iWawa apps that offer engaging educational games and kid-friendly entertainment, making it a standout option for nurturing curiosity. The design shines with a shockproof silicone case featuring an adorable duck-themed stress relief back, which adds a playful touch. The 5800 mAh battery delivers all-day usage, while the dual cameras, 5-megapixel front and 8-megapixel rear, allow kids to capture moments creatively. The 1024 by 600 HD display with auto brightness adjustment protects young eyes during extended screen time, and parental controls enable screen time management and safe browsing. While this tablet is user-friendly and offers excellent performance for its price range, its smaller screen size might not appeal to older children who prefer larger displays. Additionally, the tablet's ranking is slightly lower due to limited customer reviews, though it holds an impressive 4.6-star rating. This is a great choice for parents seeking a reliable and fun tablet for younger kids. At number 3, the Toddler Kids Tablet offers a solid balance of performance and value. Running on Android 12, this tablet is equipped with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, which is expandable up to 512 GB. The quad-core processor ensures smooth operation of apps and multitasking, making it ideal for kids who use a mix of educational and entertainment apps. The front and rear cameras, 2 megapixels and 5 megapixels, respectively, are great for video calls and basic photography. Design-wise, the Toddler tablet comes with a shockproof case and an adjustable stand, ensuring durability and hands-free usability. The 7-inch IPS HD display provides a clear and bright visual experience with automatic brightness adjustment to reduce eye strain. Parental controls allow parents to set screen time limits, block inappropriate apps, and ensure a safe browsing experience. While this tablet offers great specs for the price, it falls slightly short due to its bulkier design and lower screen resolution compared to higher-ranked options. However, it's a reliable choice with a 4-star rating, making it a suitable gift for younger kids, especially for educational purposes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Toddler Kids 10.1-inch tablet, a powerhouse designed for older kids who need more screen real estate and performance. Running on Android 15 with an octa-core processor and a whopping 12 GB RAM, this tablet handles demanding apps, games, and multitasking effortlessly. With 64 gigabyte storage, expandable to an incredible 2 terabytes via microSD, your child will never run out of space for their favorite apps and media. The tablet features a stunning 10.1-inch HD display with anti-glare and low blue light technology, perfect for long reading sessions or watching videos. The 6,000 amp-hour battery ensures up to 6 hours of uninterrupted use, making it ideal for travel. The EVA protective case is lightweight yet durable, with a built-in adjustable stand for hands-free use. Parental controls let parents customize profiles, control screen time, and filter content for a safe digital experience. While it's the most premium option on this list, its higher price point and larger size may not be suitable for younger toddlers. However, with a solid 4-star rating and unmatched performance, this tablet is the ultimate choice for families seeking a high-end device for education and entertainment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.